How to fix cannot create value or key, error writing to the registry. This cannot create value or key, error writing to the registry error usually indicates there is a problem modifying the Windows registry. Here are some potential causes and fixes. Permissions issue. The account trying to make changes may not have sufficient permissions to edit the registry keys. Check the permissions on the affected registry keys. Software conflict. Another program may be blocking access to the registry. Try uninstalling/disabling other software that makes registry changes. Corrupt registry files, errors in the registry Hives-like software, system can prevent making changes. Try running a system file checker scan, sfc/scano, to check for corruption. Hard drive errors, bad sectors or file system errors on the drive storing the registry Hives can cause this. Run chkdsk to check for hard drive errors. Incorrect syntax. Registry edit command being run may have incorrect syntax. Double check the command for typos. Manual registry edit. Manually editing the registry can cause inconsistencies. Avoid manual edits when possible. Startup programs. Some auto start programs can lock registry keys. Use misconfig to disable startup items. In many cases, rebooting and trying the registry change again may resolve a temporary issue. For persistent problems, repairing corrupt system files and debugging conflicting software is key.